Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about whistles. Now, there are all sorts of whistles that you can use, and some of them are very loud, others are really high-pitched and annoying, and so you got to look at what's out there. And I'm not just talking about whistles for, oh, we're lost in the woods and we need to blow a whistle. There are other reasons to have whistles. For you ladies, having one of those little aluminum whistles, tube whistles on your key ring can be a great self-defense. Those things are really loud and annoying, and they get everybody's attention. And when you're blowing it right at somebody, it can really set them back for a second or two, give you a chance to get away. But whistles are a great signaling device for, hey, I'm lost, or hey, time to go, whatever. There's a bunch of different ways you can use whistles. And you can find whistles relatively cheap just about anywhere. There are some really cool ones that are multifunction. You have the whistle, you unscrew the end off of it, has a place to put matches in it, has a little compass on the end of it. There's a whole bunch of real cool whistles like that. So think about it. See if a whistle is something you want to use. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Add to your preps daily water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a skill every month. All right? One of the things going on right now, the chatter I'm hearing from some of the intelligence agencies, I can't say which ones. I'm dancing on the edge here, folks. But all the chatter is pointing to the possibility of something going on this winter, and we're getting close to winter now. So you really need to get more prepared for this winter.